Mili, have you started studying?
I'll start tomorrow.
Miss Carter says this exam is very difficult.
Relax, Emma. I know this stuff.
I'll study after one video. Just one more. I still have lots of time. I'll start tomorrow. Tomorrow will be different. I still have time.
Oh no. The exam is tomorrow. I should have studied.
You look worried today.
My exam is today.
Just do your best.
Are you ready for the exam?
I think so.
Good luck, Mili.
You have 1 hour. Read each question carefully. You may begin.
I don't know this. I don't remember the answer. No. I should have studied. I made a mistake. I should have listened to Emma.
Time is up. Please put down your pencils.
How was the exam?
It was really hard. I hope I pass. I should have studied more. I feel nervous.
Here are your results.
I did well. Oh no.
I failed the exam. I can't wait.
Why do you think you failed?
I spent too much time on my phone.
Thank you for being honest. Phones are not bad, but balance is important.
I understand now.
What happened, Mili?
I did not manage my time well.
You can learn from this.
I will study every day. I will use my phone less. I can do better. You seem different now. I learned an important lesson. Hard work brings success.